Greetings, everyone. Dino with Dino's Drunken Dinners. With Dino's Dinners. Tonight we're going to make meatloaf. This is a recipe I saw on YouTube. It looks easy, and I'm all for easy. So what I have, well, we'll get started here. Ready? Okay, in this bowl I have a conglomeration of muck. There's half a cup of diced onions, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 2 teaspoons of parsley, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 2 eggs, and her secret ingredient is barbecue sauce, a half a cup. Oh, before I go any further, my ex-wife used to make these really delicious green pepper, stuffed green peppers. Obviously, I can't ask her for the recipe. So, if any of you have a good recipe for stuffed green peppers, please let me know. I'd love to try it. Okay, so anyways, all that's in the bowl. Now, she said they had about 2 pounds of hamburger. I'm going to put in probably a little bit more than that. Oh, yep. Shit. Yeah. There's some food for the dog. Okay, now I have my surgical gloves, scalpel, sponges, forceps. I'm not a gooey finger kind of guy. Well, at least not as far as food goes. Anyways, mix this up. Oh yeah. Probably need a bigger bowl. Okay. New gloves, new drink. I'm gonna put this in here. Sweet. Okay. Now we got room to mix. Okay. I'm gonna put that in the pan and start another pair of gloves. Alrighty, now we're going to take this beast, put it in here, and make a loaf out of it. Put this in the oven for 45 minutes at 350 degrees. Okay, the glaze consists of 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I don't know why I was thinking brown mustard. Okay. 1/3 cup of ketchup. Okay, I've cleaned my cup. 1/3 cup of ketchup. Yeah. Where'd my spoon go? That's close enough. Okay, what's the last one? 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard. What's this little yellow thing here, right? Teaspoon. I could be wrong, but I don't think you have to be exact on all this stuff. Now I'm going to put my meatloaf in for 45 minutes in a 350 oven. We'll mix this up and then we'll throw it on when we're done. God bless America. Okay, there's that. Alright, I'll mix this up. I'll come back when this is cooked. Alrighty, it's been 45 minutes. I've just taken it out of the oven. Now we're going to put on our, what is this called? Sauce? Okay. And we're going to put it back in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Glaze, that's what it's called. This is a glaze. Okay. All right. Back in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, there you have it, right out of the oven after it's been in there for 15 minutes. 162, 3, 1. Come on, you can do it. One more read. There we go. 160, 170. That's good to go. All right. Now, we're going to just let it sit, let the juices do their thing. Then we're going to cut it open and taste it. Cool, huh? Here we go. Let's give this a taste test. Ooh, it's falling apart. Mmm. Very good. This is really good. I couldn't put this and me in the same frame, but yeah. Excellent. Hey. Watch my eyebrows. The wave's coming in from over here. And watch this. A tsunami. Hey, I'm not just a fantastic cook. I've got eyebrow waves. Anyways. One final thought from drunken old Dean. Next time you get depressed or upset, pissed off, do yourself a big favor. Do something nice for someone. It could be a friend, it could be a family member, it could be a total stranger. Do something nice for them. They're going to be amazed and happy and appreciative, and you're going to feel really good about yourself. And there's a damn good chance it's going to take you out of your doldrums. Anyways, try this. It's a simple, easy recipe. Very tasty. And love all 3 of you, my subscribers. Well, I hope you all liked the video. If you would, please like, subscribe, comment. I'd appreciate it. It would really help me out. And till next time, TTFN, ta-ta for now.